Welcome to this video about stress and performance testing with Apache JMeter. In this video, I will show you what is stress and performance testing, why do we need to do that, why do you need it, including some examples, how can you do that kind of testing, and a brief introduction to Apache JMeter. What is stress and performance testing and why do we need it? It's an essential part of the testing procedures of any IT project because it measures the capability of your project's code in stress situations, leading you to know how it will perform in certain situations and if it's good enough to meet your quality standard. It is important because you don't want to give a client a product that will not work in certain situations and will make him or her lose money, time, or both. Let me show you some examples about that. Let's say Netflix rolls out the next season of Stranger Things, one of their leading series. Of course, a lot of people want to watch it immediately, so Netflix servers receive a lot of requests, thousands per second even. Can it handle it? Of course it can, because it has been tested. Another example, let's say Apple releases a new version of iOS. So there are 1,000 million devices that can be updated. The amount of requests that Apple servers receive and the amount of data that they send represents nearly the 35% of all the worldwide traffic. So, can Apple servers handle it? Yes, they can. Another more local example of it is Tarsis platform in our university. When the practices schedule reservations are available, a lot of students enter on the platform. They're really stressed, so they click a lot, and the server receives so much request that it starts to go really slow, and the requests don't stop, and they increase. So it breaks. The server can handle it. That requires some stress and performance testing for seeing what's happening, seeing if the machine is not powerful enough or the database is not working properly or something like that. That's why we need to perform some tests. Given that, how can you stress and performance test? Well, you can think you can do it manually with your computer. No, you may need so much computers for certain situations that you can buy them in your lifetime. So that's why we need tools like Apache JMeter or all of those. Those tools let you do those tests with only one computer, with your computer or the server you're using, for example. So how do we use Apache JMeter? First, we have to build our test plan. What is a test plan? In a sentence, is the configuration Apache JMeter needs to make our test useful for us. It contains 8 kinds of configurations. First, the thread group. Second, controllers, that includes samplers, logic controllers, and test samplers. 3, listeners. 4, timers. 5, assertions. 6, configuration elements. 7, preprocessor elements and 8 post-processor elements. The execution order of those elements is this. When we have all that, you just run the test. Apache JMeter will do everything. We don't have to do nothing, we just have to wait. And when it ends, you can easily analyze if an error occurred or not, and if our project is suitable or not. So now, which are Apache JMeter's advantages? First of all, it's really versatile because it's multi-platform and it lets you test all kinds of apps, webs, and services. Also, it's really customizable because it's open source. You can change whatever you want. Also, it has a wide library of plugins, and the best of all, it's free, so you can use it anywhere, anytime, and everyone can use it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. See you soon!